Good afternoon everybody. Welcome to summer in Scotland. We had sun for a week, now it's this. My plan was to take you on a train trip to Lochwinnoch today. But if I take you to Lochwinnoch, I'm going to be stuck out in the rain all day because it's a country trail I was going to take you along. And I've been out of the house for 5 minutes and I'm soaked right through, so I've cancelled that idea. Instead of getting the train up ahead, I'm just going to take you on a quick walk through Dalry, and then I'm going to get back home and get dry clothes on and have a cup of tea. So you've seen most of these Dalry videos before, but today I'm going to take you to the park. And I can probably safely take you to the park because only an idiot would be out in this rain walking through it. And there's a river runs through the park, so it's a nice view. It only takes about 10 minutes to walk through it. So that's the plan. I'll see you there. I think we'll follow the river down here towards the park. Like I said, very short walk, and I'm not going to get soaked anymore if I walk down here. You wouldn't actually know it's daylight here underneath the canopy of the trees. It's actually get pretty dark, so I think my camera is actually showing it okay. Seems to be, from what I can tell. Despite all this rain, the river's actually pretty calm. In the winter, it comes right up to the edge here, about another 6 feet in height. So you could actually walk across that river today. behind me is Dalry Public Park. There's not much in it. There's a skateboard park, some swings for the kids, and a bowling club for some reason. So if you like a game of bowls, this is where you come in Dalry. In fact, I'm tempted to join it myself. The building behind me is the Dalry Bowling Club. That's Dalry Bowling Club. That's Dalry Park. There's not much to it, but there's a lot to this rain. I've had enough. I'm going home. So thanks for watching and cheerio now.